fellow rebels, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're in Youghal, a mere 70 kilometers or so up the road from where I'm from. So we're going to have a look around here, we're going to have a spin around the town itself, and then we're going to go to JJ's for a bit of breakfast. Non-motorised wheels, I see. Lovely. Look at those. Darn alloy. There's boat station, so in the shop. Alright. So this is the town hall, I think. Stay back to the 17th century where a feature walls have town walls. Just a side note before I leave, the film Moby Dick was filmed here in Youghal in 1954, and Gregory Peck was the lead actor. And also, the character Queequeg was played by Friedrich von Ledebour, and you can see him here with a tattooed mask, which was made by the production team as well. These maps brings you some mad places, doesn't it? This makes sense in a while, I'd say. Oh, this way. Must be along the side of an old castle, look. That's nice actually. College Gardens is called in there. That's really nice view, isn't it? We're down along here. Youghal is actually much bigger than I realised. Like there's a golf club there, there's a rugby club, there's a football team. So good, like. Then you have all of the beaches, the bars and all that. It's a right dead spot, isn't it? Back out left here then, and over to JJ's a couple of minutes away. Handy dandy. There's some non-motorised wheels there now. And there's me in the mirror. Right, back out of Youghal now. That was a lovely little visit. I look forward to coming back in a few days, as I said earlier. Such a lovely place. Impressed by it now, I must say. sticker there. With the dash bike or something else as well. Facing. Breakfast fit for the king. I had a breakfast already, but it's a healthier breakfast, so I said I'll have this with a view. Yum. So that was a lovely spin. It was a lovely breakfast as well, part 2. And today is absolutely beautiful, glorious out here in the southeast at JJ's Diner in Youghal. And yeah, so I'm going to head home now, pack up all my gear, get everything on, and just head back home. So thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, click like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe also. And until next time, Deise Rebel out.